I'm Dr. Erica Salinas. I am a vascular surgeon here at Columbia Surgical Associates. As a vascular surgeon, I am a doctor who operates on the arteries and veins in the human body. I've been a doctor for 7 years. I graduated from the University of Texas Health Science Center in San Antonio. Very excited to be practicing medicine here in Columbia, Missouri. One of the unique things that I bring to the vascular surgery group here at Columbia Surgical Associates is just the fact that I'm a female. I'm actually the only female vascular surgeon in the mid-Missouri area. I think a lot of female patients do feel more comfortable with a female physician. One of the other wonderful things we have here at Columbia Surgical Associates in the vascular division is a fully functioning vascular laboratory. This aids our patients they have convenience where they can get all their vascular labs here as opposed to going to another facility. That allows us to treat our patients in the here and now and not have to wait for studies to be read. And I can evaluate them and let them know what their studies showed, and then from that point on we can make a plan of care. I'm very excited to join Columbia Surgical Associates because they have a great reputation here in the community. They have many well-trained physicians here as well who I'm very excited to learn from as well. No matter how long you've been practicing, you can always learn more, and there's a great skill set here at this institution.